So I love kind of all-in-one charging systems, especially for Apple gear, because I'm an Apple user. For those that aren't on Apple products, I'm sorry that there's just not as many options for those of you out there. But this one is from Unitek. It's a 6-in-1 wireless charger. It says for phone, watch, AirPods, of course for Apple devices. And it may, because it says 6, my guess is that it has possibly some USB ports on the back. I think, as you can maybe see right there, some USB ports on the back. So we're going to take a look at this Unitek Wireless Charging Station. 45 bucks on Amazon.com, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, my friends, this is getting just one rating. It's got one rating, 5 stars. Cool. And this is what I kind of like about it too, especially if you're someone that maybe travels, or I know even for me, I have a phone/watch charger by my bed, which is great. Doesn't have a clock, so I'm always kind of fumbling around to try to figure out how to get my phone off it in the morning, because it's kind of on a shelf off to the side. Or when you travel, you know, you end up wanting to bring an alarm clock with you, or at least an alarm clock that you understand how it works, because a lot of times in a hotel or motel room, sometimes they don't have one at all, sometimes they do, but you're just like, I don't know if I trust it, right? So this could be good. What do we have here? Case friendly, sure. I do like it says, wide compatibility, so AirPod 2 through 4, iPhone 8 through 13, and of course it says Samsung and Huawei products. It has USB wired charging ports on the back. Case friendly, like we saw, has a vertical and a horizontal mode, 6-in-1, so they're saying iPhone, AirPods, Apple Watch, alarm and clock, USB charging, and touch control. That's the 6-in-1, I guess. Anyways, looks cool, because again, if you're just kind of going somewhere for one, or just have it on your desk, having one device that you can plug everything into is kind of nice, right? Does it say what it's so it says that the USB charging port is a maximum of 5-watt output, so don't just think you're going to be getting it super fast. There's a quick charge 3.0 power cable. Yeah, it doesn't say a lot. Oh, packing, well, no, 18 watts. So 18 watts is probably my guess for the whole dock. And then, of course, kind of, it depends on how many things you have plugged in, but you're probably getting about, yeah, maximum of 15 watts, depending on if it's one thing or a whole bunch of things. So not the fastest charging in the world, but convenient, right? Because you just have to have one thing. There's the back, if you guys want to look at that, right? And so it says 15 watts for the smartphones, 2.5 watts for the Apple Watch, 3 watts for the AirPod, 1 watt for the clock, and of course up to 5 watts for anything in the back. But if it's only an 18-watt charger that it has, then, you know, some of these are gonna have to be like, you're not getting full wattage, right? So just gotta be aware of that. Now, you probably or possibly could plug it in or get a higher wattage power brick, which may help a little bit. All right. So anyway, there's the stand. Here's the other stuff. There's your manual right there. Directions for use. Plug it in, I'm guessing. There's your 18-watt USB-A. So it's USB-A on the top there. Nothing overly exciting to see. And then you get a good long cable, USB-C to USB-A. Nice. And last but not least, of course, you do get this. So black and silver, as you guys can see it. There's a little, this looks like the power. It says LED on it. Touch and logo switch activated. Okay, remove this protection film before using. Now it's shinier. There's going to be your display, so your alarm and your clock. This is on the back here. This is where your AirPods will go, if you have them. And you have a USB-C, which is going to be for coming in, I'm guessing, for charging. And then your USB-A for plugging in anything else. Some grip on the bottom. This has some little plastic coverings, so you want to, again, make sure you take those off. so that it can actually get a bit of grip on the table, as well as it does look like it actually has possibly maybe some venting on the bottom as well. And this is kind of cool because it's simple, but if you need the Apple Watch charger, you can flip this out. If you don't need it, you can just tuck it away, right? So you pop that out like so, and there it is. There it is on the table. You guys can see it right there. All right, let's plug it in. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get here. Is that a USB? Nope. Let's see if we can find. Well, I guess we'll use theirs. We'll use theirs. So USB A. I'm not using their this. I'm just plugging it into my own here. All right, that's going there. This, you guys can see, right? We're plugging it into that. Cool. So it's funny because, like, you guys may be able to see it. When you look at it straight on, right here, it's really kind of weird to look at. But when it's on the table, like there, maybe you guys see it, you can see, like, the time in that a lot better. So you really want to see it on an angle, or if it's darker. Now the other thing too is the Unitek lights up, which is nice. So first off, let's just see. We'll put my watch on there. So it's got a decent stick, right? And it's charging. Excellent. I got my iPhone, same idea. And I think you guys maybe you can see that it goes green there. Is that, if I take that off, does it go away? No. I thought maybe it would go away if it. Sometimes some of these will, if they detect something, they change colors. So. Anything else here that's, oh, another little sticky thing. Take all those sticky things off. All right, and then last but not least, we got our phone. Pop that there. Oh yeah, so it is. So now this went blue, and yes, it is charging. Hopefully you guys can see that, right? You see it charging up there. So we got the watch charging, we got the phone charging. Very nice. I don't have a set of AirPods, but that would be charging, of course. It does say that this can sit also horizontal, so if this was off, where are you? It says it will. Now my guess is with a case, it's there, but I think it all depends on your case, right? My case, because of the camera, it's not quite grabbing it. Let's see, without the camera. Where are you? Because you need to find the sweet spot, you know? And that seems to be the issue. Yeah, it says, I'm pretty sure it said that you can set this up for horizontal. I thought it said that. Maybe I'm mistaken. Oh no, it has it there, horizontal. They have it sitting kind of in, well, see, they have it sitting down low. So you guys can see that, right? You can have it there, which is lovely, but it's not charging, you know, because it charges up here. So down here, yes, it says never miss a wonderful movie. So just realize when it's down here at kind of like down this area. Oh no, it is charging. I do have it is charging. Okay. So it does kind of charge anywhere in there. I didn't think it was charging. My mistake. Yep, charging. You guys can see it. Boom. So you got charging there. You got charging there. Right? Good. And then you got your Apple Watch. So, and that's charging. All right. And then on the bottom here, like I said, you do have this. It says LED, so you can turn that on and off if you're a person. Like if this is going to be a nightstand thing, you probably don't want your LED turning on. I like it; it's pretty, but I get it. At nighttime, you wouldn't want that. This one here, I'm guessing this is your alarm and this is your time. So you can just kind of, I'm guessing you just click and you click and hold that, and then you can go through and set your time. Where are you? Just want to make sure you guys can sort of see it, right? Kind of go through and. What time is it now? 11:43. So you hold it to get to 11, and then click and hold again. Yeah, and then just kind of tap. So I like the fact that it has this clock on it. I do. I do find it is in the daytime. You really got to see it on an angle. Like for me, I really have to tip it down, which is fine because when it's actually on your desk, that's kind of the angle you're looking at. But yeah, it's not overly easy to read, you know. And I do like that the light on the front, you guys can see that there, goes from green to shows that it's got power, right? That the dock has got power. And then as soon as you put something on it, it turns blue to say that it's charging. Okay, that's all right. So for 43 bucks, it's not bad, not bad. It's pretty, it looks good. I think it'll look great on a desk. Piano black, of course. You know what, that could get a little smudgy. Get a microfiber cloth. But has everything you need. Again, not crazy fast charging, but it will charge, you know, it will charge 4 things at a decent speed, I guess. All right, guys, Unitek Wireless Charging Station for multiple devices. And if you have another wireless device, my guess is it should charge on the top too, not just iPhone. And again, you have a USB on the back, so you can charge via that for anything that can't charge up front here. And this tucks away. Cool. All right, guys, links down below if you guys are interested at all. And that's it for today. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that little notification bell, and more stuff coming up tomorrow. Later, my friends.